People love to say that AI will change your life. But here's the truth. AI doesn't change everything. AI exposes everything. It exposes who has a real system and who is still guessing. It exposes who treats AI like a business partner and who treats it like a toy. It exposes why some people build online income, launch digital products, and grow their AI business in months, while others sit in frustration with endless ideas and zero execution. Let's be brutally honest. The gap between you and your next income level is not effort. You've already worked hard. The real gap is clarity, structure, and the right prompts. That's exactly why I created the AI Money Blueprint. AI is not magic. AI is not your boss. AI is not here to think for you. AI is a multiplier. It multiplies what you already have. If your workflow is chaos, AI multiplies chaos. If your workflow is a system, AI multiplies results. Most people fail with AI because they ask random questions. They don't know what to build. They start from zero every time. They waste hours learning instead of producing, and they have no clear monetization path. Then they say AI doesn't work. Wrong. Their process doesn't work. You don't need another course. You don't need another guru. You don't need more YouTube tutorials. You need a repeatable engine that produces content, ideas, offers, funnels, automation, digital products, and clarity without burnout. That's exactly what a structured set of AI prompts gives you, but not random prompts from the internet. You need prompts engineered for entrepreneurship, prompts optimized for content creation, prompts that turn skills into online income, prompts for AI automation, and prompts that actually move your business forward. And that's what the AI Money Blueprint delivers. The blueprint is a system of more than 450 prompts designed for real output. It helps you monetize your skills, launch products fast, scale your content, eliminate decision fatigue, build digital assets, create strong offers, automate your routine, grow your digital side hustle, and move faster than your competition. Most people waste 90% of their energy thinking what to do. The blueprint removes that. You act immediately, and that's why it works so quickly for so many. The window of opportunity is open right now. In 2025, AI is not a trend, it is infrastructure. People who learn to use it will dominate AI-driven businesses, content ecosystems, automated workflows, lean solo entrepreneurship, and all online monetization models. Those who don't will simply watch others move faster. If you are building an online business, creating content for YouTube, Medium, or LinkedIn, launching digital products, freelancing, or learning to monetize your skills, and you want to use AI aggressively, effectively, and without burnout, the blueprint is for you. Someday is the most expensive word in the world. It costs people years, ideas, and income. If you want clarity, speed, and a real system, start with the blueprint. Get the AI Money Blueprint at ivanvuchev.eu/oxlr. No fluff, no theory, just results, multiplied by a link in channel header. Start today. Let AI work for you.